Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now, if you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates at the earliest. Now, Morgan Stanley is one of the prominent institutional brokerages across the world. In this video, we talk about two stocks from the non-bank public sector lenders which Morgan Stanley has rated as overweight. Now, in its latest report, Morgan Stanley has said that increasing interest rates could reduce growth opportunities for non-banking financial services companies. The cyclical tailwinds that such lenders enjoyed in the recent years, that is easy liquidity and low rates, are behind now, and it has said that to that extent addressable opportunities will shrink for some and valuations will have to adjust accordingly. Now, the only pocket among the non-bank lenders that Morgan Stanley prefers are the niche lenders that offer small ticket short tenor loans. Now, they have retained an overweight on the two stocks that we'll be talking about in this video and have downgraded Indiabulls Housing Finance and Aditya Birla Capital to underweight from equal weight. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the first stock on the list is Shriram Transport Finance Company Limited, which is available at 1338.70. The symbol for it is SRTRANSFIN. Now, Shriram Transport Finance Company Limited is an asset financing non-banking finance company. The company is engaged in providing finance for commercial vehicles and other loans. The company operates through the financing segment and operates through a network of approximately 850 branches. Now, the one-year chart will reveal that for the initial half of the year, the company was in a consolidation mode, but since then it was on an uptrend. In the recent market correction, however, it has again fallen. The market cap of the company is 30,372.79 crores, which means that the company is a large cap one. The EPS is 69.33, translating into a price to earnings ratio of 19.31, which is much cheaper compared to the industry PE of 42.79. The dividend yield by the company is 0.75, whereas the promoter holding is low at 26.08. The book value for the company is 498.15, and this means that the company is available at a price to book ratio of 2.69, which is decent. Now, the 52-week low for the company is 917.70. The second and final company on the list is Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services Limited, which is available at 420.10. The symbol for it is MFIN. Now, Mahindra & Mahindra Financial Services Limited is a non-banking financial services company. The company serves the financing needs of populations residing in rural and semi-urban areas of India. The company provides a range of retail products and services, such as financing vehicles for commercial and personal use, tractors, small and medium enterprise loans, and various other financial products. Now, the one-year chart reveals that this company has been on a consistent uptrend throughout the year and has created a lot of wealth for its shareholders. Of late, however, there has been a correction on account of the recent market fall. The market cap of the company is 25,952.31 crores, which means that the company is a large cap one. The EPS is 11.35, translating into a price to earnings ratio of 37.01, which again is cheaper compared to the industry PE of 42.79. The book value is 105.02, translating into a price to book ratio of 4. The dividend yield here is 0.57, whereas the promoter holding here is average at 51.19. Now, friends, please don't treat any of these as stock recommendations. Please go ahead and do your own research. And this is all what we wanted to show you for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with another video.